Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website right here called Ferpection, and maybe you're wondering, can you make money from this website? Is it legit? How much money can you really make? Let's check it all out. At any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I've reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of ways to make money on the internet. Some of them really good, some of them so-so. A lot of them, though, are a big waste of time. So let's check out Ferpection to see whether this is legit. How much money can you make? Is this worth your time, or are there better ways to make money online out there? Okay, now Ferpection, which is a pretty cool name actually, is basically a UX research consulting firm, right? And what they do is they work with clients from all over the world who want to test out their websites and their apps to see whether there are any bugs, are the flows, okay, is the UX good, is the user experience good, and they need basically people to test the website. So for you, what you could do is you could come to ferpection.com and you could click on the right hand side here called Become a Tester, okay? And you can be based anywhere in the world. And you can become a tester on the internet, earn money by giving your opinion on sites and applications, so mainly mobile, right? Now, there are a lot of other product testing websites where it might be a physical product, but this is all digital, which is nice, which means that you don't have to wait for anything to come in the mail. You can literally just wait for them to offer you a test, and you can test it directly on your phone or your laptop or your tablet or anything like that, right? Now, to get signed up, all you need to do is just click on right here, start earning money, okay? And then you can wait for this to load right here, and once it loads up, you'll be able to fill in all your details right here. Okay, so I'm just gonna go back, right, and show you exactly what this is. So the nice thing is you can do this from anywhere in the world. This is global, all right, and you just need your computer and an internet connection, or your mobile phone and an internet connection. And the way that it works is once you have signed up, okay, they will match your background and your location and your device with the appropriate tests. All right, so that's kind of how it works. So once you get signed up, you're not going to have a huge list of websites and apps that you can test straight away. Sometimes it takes a little bit of time. Okay, so what you need to do is keep coming back to your profile, keep checking to see if there's a new test, right? And we'll talk about how much money you can really make from this in a minute, okay? And then once you've got the test, then you can basically go through the actual application on the website on your phone or on your computer, and there are things that you will need to do, okay? So sometimes you'll have to take screenshots, sometimes you have to do a video screencast, okay? It's like a screen recording, exactly like I'm doing right now. So recording the screen, recording your experience, basically talking, and you need to have decent English in order to do this, all right? So make sure that you speak clear, fluent English so that you can give feedback on the actual app or website. And you would basically say, hey, I'm having a great experience, or this button's a bit too small, there was a little bit of a glitch here, maybe you find a bug, right? These are good things. That's exactly what they want to experience. They want to know what the user experience is like on that particular mobile application or website, right? So if you don't feel comfortable with recording your screen and talking over your experience like I'm doing right now, then becoming a product tester might not be something for you, okay? But if you're okay with that, then that's exactly what you have to do. Now, once you've done that, they will basically pay you, okay? And the big question is how much do they pay, all right? Well, they pay between $10 and $20 for every successful product test that you do. All right, it depends on the website, it depends on how many bugs you found, whether you did a good product test, that sort of thing. And they will pay you out directly through PayPal or through a gift card if you don't have PayPal. They pay out once a month, all right? And so $10 to $20 is not bad, right? Especially if you only have to do the test for 10 minutes. For example, it depends, different tests are different lengths of time, but roughly, it's about 10-15 minutes per test, so it's not bad. $10 to $20 per test that you do. But here's the big caveat that you have to understand about product testing, okay? Unfortunately, when you log into Ferpection, you're not going to find 100 tests that you can just sit there and do all day, right? If it was so simple, then this is something that you could do full time. But unfortunately, product testing is not a full-time gig. All right, that's very, very important for you to understand. So it really depends on supply and demand. It depends on where you're located in the world, and it also depends on how many clients they have that want to do the test in the first place. So sometimes you might get one test a week. Sometimes it might only be one test a month, right? If you're lucky, you might get a few more tests than that. But generally speaking, you're not going to get that many tests, all right? So don't expect there to be like, 10 tests every single day for you to take. It doesn't work like that. All right, so this kind of income is more like bonus income. All right, unfortunately, you can't rely on product testing income. All right, so if you're thinking that it can replace your full-time job, or you can become a millionaire, you can retire, you can work from home full-time, unfortunately, it's not like that. All right, this is more just like, you get a bonus, right? Maybe you get a test a week if you're lucky. So it might be, $100 a month potentially that you could get from product testing, okay? But it's not going to be thousands of dollars, nothing close to that. Unfortunately, that's just the way the product testing industry works. All right, now I'm going to show you a strategy a little in a second, right, where you can earn a little bit more money. Okay, so make sure you stick around. But overall, I would say that Ferpection is not bad. Okay, it's not a bad testing website. They're legit. They pay out. It's free, all right, and you can do this from anywhere in the world. The only thing that you do need to understand is sometimes, depending on where you live, like if you live in a smaller country, maybe in Asia or maybe in Africa, you might not get as many tests, all right? But if you live in the big markets like Australia, Canada, the UK, certain parts of Europe, you might find that you're getting more tests than some other countries, because sometimes it's just region-based, unfortunately, okay? Now, one of the things that you can do to boost your income in product testing is you can join other product testing websites. So Ferpection is just one of many product testing websites out there. There's another one called Test.io. I just did a review on this recently. This is a good one, okay? Another one that you can check out is User Testing, which is also a very, very popular product testing website. So if you were to join a few of these, at least you give yourself a chance of getting more tests so that you have the potential of earning a little bit more money if you want to become a product tester and you want to earn income that way, okay? But I think it's a cool little way to get some, additional bonus money. This is certainly not going to change your life. It's not going to pay off your mortgage, nothing like that, but a little bit of extra money for reviewing a mobile application online. It doesn't take that much time. It's free, it's global. I think it's pretty cool. So if you want to check out ferpection.com, you can head over here. All right, now if you're here watching this video right now, maybe you're looking for a way to generate bigger income. Right now on this channel, I've reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of strategies to make money online. Some of them are really good, some of them so. A lot of them though, like I mentioned, big waste of time. But out of all the good ones, I've distilled this strategy into one strategy where I think that an absolute beginner has the best chance of going from zero to their first $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home. So if you would like that strategy, I've got a free masterclass that goes through this in a lot of detail. Just click the link below and I'll share that masterclass with you. All right, I hope you enjoyed this review of Ferpection. All the best to you in your money making journey online, and I will see you on another video review. Take care.